to the new Student Council and to everyone else here, I hope you take away 2 things. Don't be afraid to rely on others when you need it. And don't be afraid to fail. My first piece of advice is to give your work to others. But what I mean is that I found as a leader, it's sometimes tempting to try and do everything yourself. You have a vision for how you want things to happen, and they might not always happen that way. It is inevitable that some of your ideas will not happen. While I hope from the bottom of my heart that everything the Student Council has planned is able to occur, the reality is that some things are just going to be too time-consuming, or too expensive, or just not have enough interest to really go through. But that's totally okay. I truly believe that if you do not fail at anything that you're doing, you're probably not trying to be ambitious. And so for this early Student Council in the early years of the school, I encourage you to be ambitious. Try crazy things, step out of your comfort zone, do things that you've never done. I encourage you to take risks. You will set the steps and you will set the guardrails for the future Student Councils to come. And so show them that they can do anything that they want.